Industry analysis. A mistake that novice investors make is that they thoroughly analyze the companies they track. But that's that. So, what's the mistake here? You would ask. Well, they don't analyze the industry as a whole. If the entire industry is in a slump, no matter how good the company is, it won't be a fruitful investment. So, in this video, you will learn about industry analysis. Watch this video until the end as we'll show you how to analyze an industry and create an analysis report.
Hello guys, this is Shweta and welcome to the world of Wall Street Mojo.
What is industry analysis? There are thousands of companies listed on the stock exchange, and if we were to categorize these companies, we would see that most of them fall under the same sector or industry. Technology, defense, FMCG, energy, mining, manufacturing, e-commerce, etc. are all industries in which companies operate. Now, every industry has its ups and downs. It's nothing unusual for industries to decline after spending a lot of time at the top. So when the entire industry as a whole declines, the companies that operate in such industries would decline too. And vice versa, of course. That's why equity research analysts perform a thorough industry analysis before making any investment recommendations in any company. In a nutshell, industry analysis is about looking for the trend in the industry's environment to identify whether it has any upside potential. It would give them an edge as they could predict future changes in the industry and use it to strategize, plan, and make better decisions. How to perform industry analysis? Number 1. Review available information. While starting, you may need to learn more about the industry you want to analyze, which is fine. Here is what you can do to make ground. Look for all available reports, white papers, presentations, etc. that you can get your hands on. Read everything you need to know and identify the key factors that would help you further with your analysis. Number 2. Get an idea about the right industry. Every industry will usually have several sub-industries, and analysts usually miss out on this essential thing. They may select one particular industry, say the real estate industry, and they'll start analyzing it, which leads them nowhere. Why? Because the real estate industry as a whole is too big and has several sub-industries. For example, residential real estate, commercial real estate, hospitality real estate, leisure real estate, etc. are all sub-industries of the real estate industry. Number 3. Are you able to forecast future demands and supply? Now that you have narrowed down your industry and sub-industry, it's time to get to the central part, forecasting future demand and supply. This will lead you to the end goal of concluding your research. You should start by listing all the competitors in the industry and learn about their financial situation. Then look at the products or services they offer and their growth rate and do a comparative analysis. You will then understand the key factors that affected the industry in the past and will continue to do so in the future, and you can use it to make investing decisions. This was a roadmap that analysts usually follow. It might not be the exact method they use, but with this, we intend to give you a general idea of how things work. How to write a report on industry analysis. The report's purpose is to convey useful information to the readers simply by taking them through the process you followed. A good equity research analyst must be good at presenting the research. So here is how the report would generally look like. Number 1. Overview of the analysis. At the beginning of the report, you should give the readers a general idea of what they should expect to learn and summarize everything precisely and briefly. Number 2. Analytical presentation. This is the fun part of every report, as it's the part where you can use your creative skills to put forth everything you have researched, your findings, etc. Here is where you should use numbers, analytical judgments, charts, graphs, etc. to emphasize your point. Analysts usually craft a story highlighting everything from the competitors, products or services, customer satisfaction, USPs, controllable and uncontrollable factors, recent developments, etc. If you can explain all the complicated stuff in a way that even a lay person would understand, you have done your work right. Number 3. Forecast. This is more like the answer to your research and findings. In this part, you will discuss your forecast for the industry's future. In addition, you should mention the short-term and long-term valuation of the industry along with the challenges that the industry could face in the future. Number 4. Conclusion. We need a conclusion to end the report. So, you need to end it with a summary of everything the reader has read, probably in a couple of paragraphs. This brings us to the end of this video on industry analysis, and we hope you learned a lot. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like and share it with others. We'll see you in the next one.